Okay, question number 33. A piece of conducting putty is in the shape of a cylinder of length 60 millimeter, diameter d 20 millimeter, and the resistance between the ends of the cylinder is 20 ohms. Okay, R is given. L, D and R is given. What is the resistivity of the putty? How is this related? You know that resistivity, so resistance R is equal to rho L divided by A, where rho is resistivity. So using rho as a subject, I can now write rho is equal to RA divided by L. Now what is A here? R into, what is A here? Pi R square divided by L. Diameter is equal to 20 millimeter, which means radius is equal to 10 millimeter, right? So let us substitute this. This will be equal to, what is resistance? Resistance is 20 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 10 millimeter is, this should be 10 into 10 power minus 3, which is 10 power minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 R square divided by length. What is length here? 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter, I'll write this as 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, let us solve all this, get the final value. Okay, so now we have 20 star 3.14 divided by 60. So I get the answer is 1.04. So let me check whether this is 1.04. 1.04 is not there, but you have 0.1. I think this should be the right answer. But if you want, you can still proceed further. So you have 1.04 is the answer. I'll write here 1.04. This 10 power minus 4, this 10 power minus 3, this becomes 10 power minus 1. So you get the answer here, right? Okay.